Today morning I asked you to go short on gold below 1694 and see 1690, 1684 and 1680. 1680 is yet to come. It may try to achieve those levels. At the same time, see, I asked you to go long or buy only above 1698. Precisely it has reversed from the same levels. Likewise, see, US 30 has achieved 31050, 31 to 50. It failed to go past 31 to 50. At the same time, US 100 has achieved a low at here. Now what is going to happen today with the US cash session? Which position you should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do watch till the end. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100, in the end Dow Jones. Do listen to it carefully and do note down the levels here. Now let's start the day with the hourly charts on gold, and you can clearly see it is coming out of this consolidation zone on the hourly charts, and this is a breakout candle. Only reversal confirmation above 1690, that is the level beyond which you can go long. Till the time it trades below 1690, don't think of going long. Right now it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands here at 1682. It may provide a little support. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is again entering into oversold zone. MACD bearish and divergent. RSI again entering into oversold zone. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts, see, and this is a breakout candle. This candle may become a longer candle. This can take it further down. Be cautious of it, be alert of it. Only buy entry is above 1690. Till the time it trades below 1690, possibility of it to give you a bigger candle and subsequent candle is there. Be cautious. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD bearish. RSI oversold. So see, it has to bounce back, but it may try to achieve a low before it tries to bounce back. Look at the 3-hour charts. A little retracement, a sideways candle, and now this is the breakout. So be cautious of this. It is trying to give you 1 or 2 red candles in line, or maybe a one single large red candle. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. It has to bounce back, but we will see when it does so. Yes, 1680 may provide a very strong support on the downside. RSI again oversold. On the 4-hour charts too, look at the 4-hour charts. See this. After this double bottom, now it is given a breakout, and this is trying to trade another bearish candle. This is may try to give you another bearish candle. It may try to achieve sub 1680 level, below which you can expect 1676 levels, which is going to be a good support. And yes, I think 1676 should sustain today. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD is extremely bearish. It has seen a low here. Probably if this candle turns out or remains red, next candle may try to bounce back a little or may trade sideways for a little while. RSI has seen a bottom there. On the daily charts, now look at the daily charts. 1698, precisely these were the levels I had shared. Only go long above 1698. Now see this candle, almost 25 or $30 of move. Now here from 1700 already it has completed $20. Yes, it has a potential to drop till towards 1676 and 1672 levels. Be watchful of these levels. Attaining those levels, it may try to bounce back a little. See, this was the reversal, and now it is again started this journey on a downward track. Be careful, it can give you couple or more red candles before it tries to trade sideways. It is still bearish. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold. MACD has crossed over, and again it is divergent and bearish, and RSI is looking downwards. Considering this, only buy entry now at this position is above 1690. Beyond 1690 you can expect 1694 as the target, just $4, and above that also 1694 to 98. Do not, I think these are the levels beyond, in between which it has a possibility of a reversal. It can drop again from these levels if it tries to achieve 1694, 98. Above 1698 is yes where you can expect that it has reversed and it may act bullish from there. Be cautious of 1698. I don't think so it is going to happen. Till 1690 you can trade. Already you are short at 1694, those who have watched my morning video, and hence 1680 is the next target. It is looking forward to 1682 is a support. 1680, then 1676 it will achieve. Below that 1672. In between 1672 and 1676 you have to be watchful. That is the level, that is the low for the day. Possibly it may try to achieve those lows, and try to reverse a little. In fact, 1670 levels it can achieve and try to reverse a little. So be careful of 1670 to 76 zone. Yes, it has the potential to drop till there, but please enter at a right time. And yes, the next target nearest support right now it is taking it at 1682, below which you can still expect it to drop further. So till 1690 you should watch out, or you should find every opportunity of a rise is good to go short. Be careful of 1690, above which you can go long, and expect 1694 as the resistance, which is going to be a stronger resistance. And as I said, 94 to 98, be alert in this zone. Only bullishness is above 98. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts is giving you lower lows, and this is an expanding triangle. Remember, this is an expanding triangle here. The highs if you connect, the lows if you connect, it is trying to trade in this bearish triangle. Only bullishness about 12150, only bearishness below 12050. In between these 100 points, do not trade. Do not trade between 12150 and 12050 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is comfortable. And if you look at the MACD has crossed over on the hourly charts, and this is a bearish cross. Be watchful of this. RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see it is looking downwards, but see the movement is very little. The movement is very little here, and it has to either give a stronger breakout on the downside or a drop on the downside. So see, little movement on the downside indicates that the bearishness has diminished and it can reverse any point of time, but only buy entry I will recommend is above 12150, and be cautious till 12200. If it breaks past 12200, it will rise further. See, it is trading with higher lows till now, and it can achieve 12250, 300 levels also, which is going to be a very strong level. At the same time, you can go short at 12050, below which 12,000 is a very strong support, and below 12,000 we may see a strong drop for 11920, 11800 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic at bottom. MACD is bullish and trying to converge. RSI is comfortable. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts. Bearish, and yes, a conversion there for a bullish crossover on MACD. Be careful. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, 3 red candles, and this time if it breaks past 12150, 12200 zone, it may give you a very strong bullish candle. This time it can achieve 12300, 12450 and 500 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is bearish, trying to converge. RSI is trading flat near to bottom. And on the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. 12,000 very strong support. Yes, if it breaks below 12,000, it may give you equal size of candle what we had. So probably a stronger drop below 12,000, and specifically below 11,920 you can expect it to drop for 11,840, 800 levels. At the same time, once it rises beyond 12,200, it can fly past till towards 12,300 and plus levels. Be cautious in between 12,200 and 12,000 levels. As I said, yes, you can go short below 12,050, you can go long about 12,150, but in between these till 12,000 to 12,200, for this entire 200 points, you have to ensure that you are preserving your capital, and every trade you are putting is a trade with a stop loss at cost, and also strict tailing stop loss. You have to immediately shift your stop loss to your entry price, else it will eat your capital, and hence trade accordingly. Do not trade between 12,050 to 12,150. Also largely on in between 12,000 to 12,200 levels. Do not trade. If you ask me, if you want to take a safe trade, do not trade between 12,000 to 12,200. Take your positions accordingly. Let's have a look at Dow Jones now. Dow Jones, if you look at, see lower highs, and the resistance there at 31,200 is very strong. Now it is trying to trade with this as resistance. At the same time, the support there on the downside here at 31,050 is strong. Be careful of 31,050. Below this, you may see a good drop. Below 31,200, you can expect a little rise. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is comfortable there, looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell entry. RSI is trading comfortable. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, you will find that it is trading within this zone between 31,200 to 31,000 levels, and it is getting a resistance on the upside. See, it is trading on the upside on the first half of this zone. So it is trading on the first half. It is willing to break out couple of candles. It tried to break out till towards 31,300 yesterday. Possibly once it trades above 31,200 today, you can still expect it to rise till towards 31,300, 400, 500 levels. On the downside, be cautious of 31,050 and 31,000 levels. Below 31,000, we may see a good drop. bearish, stochastic comfortable, MACD is bullish and it is still trading with a divergence. Be cautious of it. RSI is looking upwards. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts and the 4-hour charts as well. Hence you have to be cautious there. It can give you a little bit swings. See these 3 candles. This is an expanding triangle. Yes, if you see it trading below 31050, probably it may try to get the support at 31,000. Below that, possibly 3800 is the target. 3800 is definitely going to provide a very strong support on the downside. Be watchful of that. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge. RSI is comfortable near to bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Lower highs are done and it is trying to give you higher lows. Once it drops past 31,000, probability of it to drop till towards 3800 is very strong. Yes, 3800 may provide a very strong support there, and from achieving those levels there is a possibility of a reversal which exists. But at the same time, on the upside, 31,200 if it breaks, and then 31,280 levels if it breaks, you can expect 31,350, 400 plus levels. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic is looking downwards. MACD is crossed over and it is bearish, and RSI is trading flat near to bottom. Considering this, do not trade between 31,050 to 31,200 levels. In between these 150 points, do not trade. Above 31,200, you can expect a rise till 31,280. Very strong resistance there, and above that, if it trades, we may see it flying for 31,350, 31,420 and 31,500 levels. On the downside, yes, if it drops below 31,050, go short till 31,000. Be careful of 31,000 this time. If it breaks below 31,000, we can expect 3920, 3800. 3800 is a very strong support for the day. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with caution. Trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch if you want to learn the art of trading. You can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch will start from 3rd of October. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity, else you will get the next opportunity after 2 months only. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.